Welcome back to our channel, Minimal Momentum. Don't forget that we started this series called Tuesday Chiquito, where we will upload short videos with DIYs and crafts. Today, I will show you how to make these Christmas frame signs to decor your home. For this first Christmas sign, I used the frame from a canvas. I just removed all the staples. To start as a guide, I used the leaves from a garland to draw them on the acetate using a fine black marker. I did it on the four corners of the acetate. If you're not sure what to draw, you can find some inspiration on Pinterest. Then, I colored my draw with an acrylic paint. Once my paint dried, I wrote a message using the same black fine marker, and with a brush and a black paint, I made the letters look thicker. And with a wet tissue, I cleaned any imperfections on my draw. After, I taped my acetate to the frame to staple it. For the second Christmas draw, I used a template from Pinterest, but I did some modification to this paper stencil and taped it to the acetate. First, I painted white as a base, but you can skip this step. Once the white color was dried, I painted black and added another layer of black. Give some time to dry between coats. For the start, to color it, I used a gold acrylic marker. I drew some guidelines to write a message. To finish, I removed the stencil paper. And to correct any imperfections, I just used again a wet tissue. And there you have it. Don't forget to like and share the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. We upload new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Hit the bell notification so you won't miss any of our new videos. You can find us on Facebook and Instagram. No te olvides de compartir el video y de darle te gusta. Asegúrate de suscribirte a nuestro canal. Subimos nuevos videos cada martes y viernes. Presiona la campana de notificación para que no te pierdas ninguno de nuestros nuevos videos. Nos puedes encontrar también en Facebook y en Instagram.